Hello there, welcome to part 11 of this RFEFP series, The Real Flat Earth Facts on the Plane. This is Nee B, and this one's entitled The Water. Now we all know that there is more water on the Earth than dry land. Approximately 72% is water, leaving 28% dry land and absolutely 0% curvature. Yet 95% of this 72% water is 100% unexplored. Yet the natural physics of water is to always find and maintain its level. So if the Earth were a giant sphere tilting and wobbling and hurtling through infinite space towards places of unknown destinations, then truly flat, consistent, level surfaces and water would not and could not exist here. But since Earth is known to be an extended flat plane, this fundamental physical property of fluids finding and remaining level is always consistent with experience and common sense. Water is always flat and seeks equilibrium, whatever the distance. And so this fact strongly conflicts with the global Earth model. Now the water proves that the Earth is not just flat, but it proves that the Earth is level and stationary because water is liquid. It runs always down and seeks its level and never runs up unless by power. And the water of the ocean is in every single way pretty near joined together on Earth, and they call this liquid. It will not stay on a round Earth. Now we know the land is not exactly flat and level because there are mountains and hills and valleys. But this makes no difference, friends, for if the mountains were in the valleys, it would still leave the land flat and level and higher than the water. Now let's suppose 5 boats are in a circle, each just within eyesight of the others, and we place another boat in the middle. If you are in the middle boat looking out at all of the others, they will look as though they are very low and in a hollow, while you seem to be the highest. But if you were to leave your boat and go in turn to all of the others in the circle, it would then look to you as if the boat that you were in first was very low. The point is, friends, whichever boat that you are on seems to you at the time to be the highest, it is not true that one boat is higher than the other, or that the water of the ocean is round. It is flat and always, or nearly always, straight. So it is the distance that makes the others seem lower. Since any given body of water must have a level surface, i.e., not one part higher than another, and seeing that all of our oceans, a few inland seas excepted, are all connected together, it follows that they are all virtually of the same level. The absolute fact that there is no curvature, friends, nor an elevation drop, that the horizon is always eye level, and that water always finds its flatness, should be enough for anybody to embrace the possibility that maybe, just maybe, the Earth is not what you have been told. Now back in 1862, friends, an order was made for the House of Commons and Lords that issued an order that all railways were to be constructed on a datum horizontal line without allowing 1 inch for curvature. And the Manchester Ship Canal Company published the following in the Earth Review. It is customary in railway and canal constructions for all levels to be referred to a datum which is horizontal and is shown on all sections. It is not the practice in laying out public works to make allowances for the curvature of the earth, because there is no curvature of the earth. Gravity is needed to sell the heliocentricity lie of 670 trillion tons of water being able to stick to a spinning, wobbling, tilting ball from the outside of it. There is not £15 per square inch pressing down on you now. Otherwise, how could a little fly or butterfly perform their magical movements on this plain earth? The water is a real flat earth fact on the plane. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And good luck to you on the plane. And I'm looking forward to part 12. I'll see you in that one.